Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I'm back with something kind of cool. Happy new iPhone season. That's right, the new iPhone 13s are out. And with your new phone, what do you want to do? You want to protect it. You want to keep it in great shape? Well, don't worry, Nomad has you covered, literally. I have their new modern leather folio and their new modern leather case. Now you guys know I rock these every single year. I also have a modern leather case for the Pro Max, for all you guys that are Pro Maxing out there. But anyways, you guys know I absolutely love these, so I'm gonna stop talking. We'll bring the camera in, unbox them, check them out, and might even do a giveaway. All right, guys. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and take a look. Here's the modern leather folio that I have here for the Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro Max, and here it is in the black, and you can see just how great that looks. Nice and soft in the inside. Okay, and with the folio, the nice thing is you have this protective flap over the screen, and then you have card slots here, and I love their leather. Now you guys already know this is Magsafe compatible. As you can see the ring right there, it has Magsafe built in. All of their cases do now. And this also has an NFC chip built inside, so it's like a digital business card. So you just kind of scan the QR code, activate your digital business card, and anytime you want to share your contact information or your social media, whatever you fill out on there, you just go ahead and tap it to somebody else's phone and it'll go ahead and give them the digital business card. How cool is that? So it's already built in, you don't have to worry about it. But I really love the Magsafe in here, and this is such a soft, non-abrasive material in here. That looks good. Now, in case you're wondering, I have the iPhone 12 Pro case here, right? And here's my iPhone 13 Pro. And as you can see, although they're the same size, it will not fit. So new phone, new case. So this is the old one here. So here is the modern leather case for the Pro Max. So all my Pro Max people out there, here you go. And here is the modern leather in the brown that I always love and enjoy. And usually I always rock the brown. I absolutely love the rich, chocolatey brown there. Okay, now I'll go ahead and put my phone in. And as you can see, fits perfect. I'll bring it in a little closer so you can see it. Okay, so here it is a little closer with that nice rich brown that I absolutely love. I always rock the brown. So not only is it sleek, minimalistic, built-in digital card, and it has MagSafe with the TPE bumper sides. This is equipped to handle up to like a 10-foot drop. Like, no joke. It's the real deal. Love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, so I have these cases here. This is the new lineup, and yeah, you want to protect your phone, I highly recommend these guys. Now, I am going to be doing a giveaway. How about I give away the folio? All right, so there's my Twitter name on the screen. Go ahead and send me a tweet and say, hey, I want that case, and I will send you this case because I'm just super cool like that. But anyways, this is it, the new Nomad cases for your new iPhone. All right, guys.